Bridging ideas and implementation is not something intuitively explored for everyone, and one quality that distinguishes successful entrepreneurs from not so successful entrepreneurs is their ability and willingness to get things done. It is not just one habit that separates the winners from the losers. What makes them different? It is a set of behaviors that support a larger goal and are continuously implemented. The key word here is continuity. Just as you can't get stronger and faster when you don't go to the gym often, improving social skills works in the same way. To be good at something, you need to have the same motivation to develop and dedicate yourself to developing social skills. While everyone has behaviors and habits that work for them, below are 5 behaviors that we would recommend to you and have positive results. 1. Keep your promises to yourself. When you make a promise to others, you are more likely to keep it because your personal reputation and the quality of your relationships are at stake. What about the promises you make to yourself? It is much easier not to keep the promises you make to yourself, but keeping the promises you make to yourself increases the self-efficacy and self-confidence on which the character is based. If you want to be a barrier-free person, first of all, start by keeping your promises to yourself. 2. Capture your thoughts instantly. Good ideas can flash through your mind and disappear. One of the most frustrating things is searching your memory for a great idea. Therefore, when inspiration strikes at you, immediately write down the ideas that come to your mind. Either leave a voicemail to yourself or send an email to yourself. If you want to act even quicker, type in keywords related to the idea and do the rest later. These methods will stimulate your memory. 3. Don't take yourself too seriously. Yes, there's an old saying about it, if I don't take myself seriously, no one will. Still, people tend to flock to him when they see someone with a bit of a sense of humor rather than someone who puts them to sleep during a meeting. So it's good to add a little sense of humor to your life. Of course, there is a time and a place to be funny. Obviously, it's good to act by knowing your audience and the mood in the room. Otherwise, it is possible to lose all your friends just by making a funny joke in your head. 4. Rebuild yourself every day. Personally challenging oneself builds resilience in the person doing it. The choices you make shape who you are today and determine who you will be tomorrow. Getting fit doesn't stop with exercising on the treadmill or riding a bike. What is at issue here is that balances us all and turns us into individuals in shape, mental, emotional and even spiritual form. Remember to rebuild yourself every day whenever you have the opportunity. 5. Be open-hearted. There is only one thing that is valuable to everyone: time. If you want to